Mom, this Sunday is boring, but we can have fun learning today. My cars are boring too.
Me too. No school, no friends.
Just nothing to do.
Look, I have a mission. A mission. Yes, this baby tree needs a home. It needs soil and sun. Will you help me?
Yes.
Did someone say help? Super Gardener is here. Let's go to the park.
Mom, why do we plant trees? Why are they important?
We plant trees, Leo, because they give clean air. They give animals. Good question. Trees are superheroes. Breathe in.
Trees are super.
And breathe out. Fresh air. Thank you, Mr. Tree. Trees make fresh air. And look, they make shade too. And birds live in trees too.
It is a home for animals.
And look, they make shade too. And birds live in trees too.
It is a home for animals.
Exactly, Maya. Oxygen, shade, and home. Trees are amazing.
They are amazing.
Let's plant it here. This is the perfect spot.
Yes, this is absolutely the perfect spot. Let's get started. Nok not pretty Chinik did. The soil is hard. But don't worry, kids. Watch your dad. Uh-oh.
Dad! You have dirt on your nose. Dad, you are funny. Let me help. Whoa! Something is moving in the hole. Is it a snake?
Don't be scared. Look closely. It is an earthworm.
Ew! It looks slimy.
No, he is a friend. The worm is a tiny gardener. He makes tunnels in the soil. This helps water reach the tree's roots. Hello, Mr. Worm. Please help our tree grow. Now be gentle. Roots are like feet. They drink water from the soil.
Drink some water, baby tree.
Mom, look! It is so small. It is shorter than me. Patience, Leo. Trees grow slowly, but they become strong. Just like you and Maya. Every day, a little bit. But Mom, the park is big. Will we forget our tree? Don't worry. I have a surprise. Let's give it a name. The happy tree. Look, Mom. Isn't it just perfect?
Perfect. Because we are happy today.
Grow fast, happy tree.
Yeah, we had a great day. What about you? Do you like planting trees? What tree did you plant? Tell us in the comments. Yes, I know. I am working on it. So much work to do. Oh no! It is 6 p.m. I am late. Leo is waiting. Oh no! The house is still messy. Aw, dagged, and I have to cook dinner. Come on, Grace, hurry up! Oh no! My favorite bowl! I can't do this. I'm so tired. I have no energy.
Hello, Mom! Hello, Mom!
We are home. We are home.
We are home!
Sorry we are late. Traffic was terrible.
But Grace...
But Grace? What happened? What happened?
I'm just very tired.
Hey, don't worry. Sit down and relax. Mom needs a break. Team, let's help Mom! Operation Cleanup! 1, 2, 3!
I'll wash the vegetables. I'll wipe the table. I'll pick up the toys. Oh. Cheers! Cheers! Delicious.
Delicious, delicious dinner.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. This food is yummy.
Mom, fruit for you.
Thank you, sweetie.
Sweet apple.
And look, Mom, I got an A on my drawing.
You see, in a family, we share the work. Helping each other makes us happy.
That's right. Sharing housework is sharing love. Sharing love.
Do you help your family with housework? Let's do it together to have a happy family. Tell us in the comments. Hurry! The rain is coming! Wait. I hear something crying. Huh? Oh no! Someone left a box here. Oh, he is so small. He is shivering.
Who leaves a puppy here? That is terrible. We cannot leave him. To the car. Let's go to the animal shelter.
I am sorry. The shelter is full today. We have no empty cages.
Oh no.
We can help. Can we keep him at our house until you have space?
Really? Really? Thank you. Please foster him for 1 week.
Mission accepted. Oh, Stormy.
He is hiding. He is scared of us.
It is okay. Come here, little friend. You are safe.
Look, look! He likes you, Leo. You need a name.
I will call you
Stormy.
Stormy. Good name.
Hello, Stormy. I want to hug you. You can sleep in my bed tonight. We cannot hug him yet. He needs a bath first.
From dirty to clean, scrub-a-dub-dub.
Look, his fur is so fluffy now. He smells like shampoo. No, Leo. Sausages are too salty. Human food is not good for dogs. Let's give him puppy food. Hey.
Hey.
Okay, Mom. Healthy food. Hi. And the dragon flew away. I am so tired. My feet. Good boy. He feels safe with you.
All right, everyone. It is Sunday. The week is over. We have to get Stormy back to the shelter.
Mom, please don't take him back.
He is part of our family now.
Grace, the kids are right. I think we should keep him.
You really want him to stay? Well, I have a surprise.
I have already called the shelter this morning.
You did? What did they say?
I told them that the adoption begins. Stormy is officially ours.
Welcome home, Stormy. You are safe now.
Remember, children, kindness is a superpower. Always be kind to animals.
Do you have a pet?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.